This video was requested by a co-worker to make some Brussels sprouts. She just loved my Brussels sprouts so much. She wanted me to make us some Brussels sprouts for her birthday. So that's what I'm doing today. And then she also requested me make a video step by step on how to make the Brussels sprouts. So you better listen up. I ain't gonna do this nothing but one time. First thing we need, our ingredients. So first thing, you know, we need some Brussels sprouts. Got those. Pepper. Garlic. Chopped garlic. Minced garlic. Some olive oil. This is optional. You can use this or not. Garlic salt. Butter. About 3 tablespoons of butter. Maple syrup. I got 2 bottles because I had a little bit left in there. Chili powder. Crushed red peppers. Garlic powder. And salt. And of course, knife, chopping board, a bowl, and strainer. So you can clean your vegetables. Now look, I don't usually clean my vegetables, I ain't gonna lie to you. But I'm just doing it for the video. Cause I already know they're gonna have some people out there crying to me, man, he don't clean his vegetables. Yes. Okay, so we cleaning vegetables today. Boom. Alright, let's get this straight. So first thing what we need to do. First thing what we need to do. Before we clean these Brussels sprouts, what we're gonna do is we're gonna chop the ends off of them. The little dirty part, put that to the side and throw it away. So we do this because this is, I don't know why we do it, but we're gonna do it. That's why we do it. Make a cleaner look to your vegetables. And then sometimes it's kind of hard, so you want to clean. You're gonna chop that off. Well, I should have just cut them in half. Also, chop them and then cut them in half. Might as well do that all at the same time. Save a little time. So let's do that. And don't cut your fingers, please. Boom. Boom. Bam. Also, while we're doing this, we can go ahead and preheat our oven. You want to preheat the oven to 400 degrees. All right. Bam. So now we want to wash our Brussels sprouts. Wash them off. Wash them. Decided to get the big one. So what we want to do is, first of all, we want to melt our butter in the microwave. All right, so we got our butter melted. What we're gonna do is we're gonna mix everything together in the butter mixture. So it's gonna be like a butter sauce. But I'm not really that big on measurements, but today we gonna measure it because I already know some people be like, why you put this much, how much you put in this, and yeah. We're gonna just measure some things out, just kind of get a kind of feel for it. But you don't really have to do exactly how it is. If you want more, put more. Want less, put less. Basically what we're gonna do, we'll put a half, well, this is your 3 tablespoons of butter melted. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna put a half teaspoon of basically everything you see up here, except for the salt. So we're gonna put a half teaspoon of garlic powder. Half teaspoon of the red pepper flakes. Half teaspoon of chili powder. Half teaspoon. You don't have to go quite half teaspoon of the pepper, because you already have like the chili pepper. So just go. You don't have to go a whole half teaspoon of that. Just go a little pepper, and we just gonna kind of salt the taste. I'll just do like a half of this half teaspoon, and if you want more, you can always add more, but it'll be fine. So, and also the chopped garlic. You want to add some chopped garlic to this. I would do like like a whole teaspoon chopped garlic. You know what? Let's do 3 half tablespoons. 3 half teaspoons we did. So, teaspoon and a half. Cool. Now, we also need to add a tablespoon of olive oil. That's all of it. So all you need is a tablespoon of olive oil. And we also need 2 teaspoons of maple syrup. And also another thing I usually put in here that I don't have up here, and I'm gonna go ahead and add it in there too. Just a little bit of soy sauce. It's the reason I ain't put that much salt. Basically, soy sauce is the salt. So just put a little bit of soy sauce. I just put a teaspoon, a half teaspoon. Well, that's a whole teaspoon, but whole teaspoon will be fine. It's not too much. So what we need to do is mix all this up. Boom. It's gonna be good, y'all. I don't know how to act when she get these things, boy. These might be better than the last ones. I'm trying to make them exactly like I made them last time, but I don't know. You never know. Alright, so let's just dump them in, kind of mix them all together. Try to get the mixture all on every one of them. See that? Looking beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. See how they all coated? Want to make sure they coated all the way. All of them. Woo! Alright, so they all coated. This is just a simple meal. It don't take that long to do it. Get this out the way. So we got our little baking sheet right here. Basically what you want to do. Just spread them up on them. Kind of even them out. So none of them overlap. You don't need them overlapping because they're not gonna roast like you want them to if you overlap them. All right. Bam. So the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. What I usually cook them in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes. Most of the time at 20 minutes, it's right where you need to be. But just kind of watch it when it hit that 15-minute mark. Just to see that it don't go too long and burn too much, and kind of, because you want them to still be a little bit crunchy. But if you like them all the way on the, cook side, like more mushy, just let them go a little longer. But we're going to let them go. And after, what it was, 20 minutes, because I checked it at 15 minutes, and we go. Beautiful. Roasted Brussels sprouts. That's all you need. Alright, so like I said, y'all have any other requests of making like simple meals like this, or just any ideal meal that you want to think of that you want to make, just put it in the comment. I'm going to see what I can do. See y'all in the next one. Bye. Let's try to taste one of these.